Hello and welcome to December Daily Day 18. I am once again using Bree's prompt, which for today is nature. And I decided to go with this picture with my BFF. And I, again, am trying to make an attempt to do a simple spread. And I realized I think the only way I can force myself to make a simple spread is not actually to make a spread, but to do something a bit different. So I decided to just create a pocket in which I will put this picture in some way and not even have a spread at all. Just trying to think outside of the box a little bit. And the upside is that I get to cover the waves that I made from the previous spread. So here I am just picking out a little tab that I'd made a whole bunch on tea stain or coffee stained paper. I just printed some words out on this paper and then just punched out some tabs. And I'm using this one with the word memories on it and just attaching that to the photo. And unfortunately, my BFF doesn't like herself in this photo, but I love it so much because it reminds me of the fun times we had. This was from April, and we went to Germany for an extended weekend to Chiemsee, which is a beautiful, huge lake, and we just spent a wonderful time there at an Airbnb with lots of walks, and we took her 2 dogs and had a beautiful breakfast at the lake and cooked some dinner at night and just chilled and hung out, and it was a really lovely time. And so that's what I wanted to journal about, and so I decided to make this little booklet or card that I would put the picture inside, and then I could journal on the left side. So I'm just gluing that down with the tab. And for the front side, since the theme was nature, I decided to take a copy of an Edith Holden book page that I had tea dyed, or coffee dyed actually, and I just used my die cut to punch out this tag shape. And now I am, as usual, using my Recollections clickable alpha stamps, with which I'm going to stamp the word nature. And something really freaky just happened while I was editing this video. My BFF happened to send me a video that we had recorded on this trip, and she had no idea I was making this video or going to use this subject for our spread, or for my spread. And we hadn't talked about it recently, and this trip is months ago. So totally amazing that we are doing this simultaneously, that we thought of this trip at the same time and using images from it. I mean, what are the odds? And I put that on, and I just underneath, for a little more texture, I wanted to add my cheesecloth, which I got from AliExpress, and just fraying the edges a bit and just gluing that right on the tag. And as for stamping down the date, I just decided to stamp it right onto that card. Not 100% happy with that choice, but it is what it is. Wanted to try something different. But I'm very happy that this didn't take me as long, and yeah, saved me a whole bunch of time. I hope you guys are okay with this little spread in this shorter video, but I did want to get something out there. So I journal in it after I finished the video, because I wanted to keep that private. And I realized now when I'm putting it in that I made it upside down. So I should have had it open the other way, but oh well. Memories is still fine. You can see it there, but the tag is upside down. But it's fine. It's just for myself. It's my own journal. It's kind of funny that way, actually. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you got some inspiration. Thank you again so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.
Shall laud and magnify His holy name, most highly favored lady.